for question 2, we have basically drawing Lewis structures. Here we have ClO2, and we have to look for the valence electrons. So we know that chloride has 7 valence electrons. Each oxygen has 6. So 7 plus 6 plus 6 would be 19. We count it up. It's an odd number. So this is going to lead to a rational. So then we have a single bond between oxygen and chloride, and then another side chloride and oxygen as well. And we have to make sure that the formal charge is 0. So that's why each bond is only only one. They only bond once. Excuse me. So then the 2 oxygens will contain negative formal charges, and the chloride, being the rational, has a lone pair plus the rational. It'd be +2, and the formal charge will equal 0. And then for the second one, we have draw carbon dioxide. So we count the valence electrons, and we know that carbon has 4, and then oxygen has 6. So 4 plus 12 equals 16. And then we draw it, and we basically get double bonds across the double bonds bonded to the carbon and each oxygen. And then for the third one, it's a little tricky one, but draw H3PO4. So we count the valence electrons. We find that the valence electrons equals 32. And then we note that the 3 hydrogens have to be bonded to the oxygen, and then 4 oxygens bond to 1 phosphorus. The 1 oxygen will have a double bond, and we see the special rule come into play where an element breaks the octet rule, and it ends up having 5 bonds instead of 4.